All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than internet computer itself. Appreciate your guys' support on all the ICP updates. Continue supporting and you will continuously see these updates. So let's talk about ICP's price, give you guys my overall analysis on the price, see what has happened, what has changed, and of course what we could be expecting as we do go further into the month of February. So if we're looking at the markets right now, we're seeing a little bit of red across the board for some handful of coins, as you can see, but if we're looking at ICP, it is up 1.5%, so that is of course worthwhile noting. If we're looking at the price of internet computer as of February the 16th, which I still can't wrap my head around the fact that we're already into more than halfway through the month of February, which is absolutely scary. Like, what is going on? But anyways, if you're looking at the price, $13.36, and it's also up 1.3% over the past 24 hours in Bitcoin comparative. One thing I'm noticing right now is that the market cap is holding really strong above the $6 billion mark, especially the $6.1 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $180.2 million. Not bad at all. But now let's talk about what exactly is next for ICP. As you know, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So, a few questions that I got, and this is one of the questions that I got quite a bit, was Crypto ZX, internet computer, can we farm on it? Can we farm on internet computer for future airdrops? And that is a good question that you're asking. So if we're going on DeFi Llama, you guys can see this for yourself. The total value locked as far as DeFi for internet computer is concerned, it's very low, 11.18 million, which is nothing. You can compare it to one of the big boys, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Sui, pretty much anything, that is quite low. But that does not mean the potential is not there, especially if this chain continues to grow and more and more people start seeing value behind it. We could see the DeFi actually rising as well. We do tend to see a lot of coins, surprisingly. I know a lot of people might not know this, believe it or not, we see a lot of people launching meme coins on the ICP chain, which you guys probably might not know of, but that is definitely happening. Do I think those coins are going to be here to stay? Absolutely not. Meme coins, guys, are the most riskiest things to invest in, because even myself, I can Google a video and learn how to launch a meme coin and launch it out of thin air with zero utility behind it, and literally 99.9% of the time it's people with bad intentions that just dump on the holders. So you want to be very careful, but it's good to note that there are people that are launching these coins which will attract at one point more developers, which it already is doing. You guys might not see this, but the biggest DEX in my opinion on here is the, of course, ICP swap, which has literally the total value locked about $10.5 million. And of course, if you're interacting with ICP swap, if you are connecting your wallet or staking, you might potentially be able to see airdrop. I'm not too sure. That's just me personally seeing what Solana did, what Sui is doing, what all the other chains are doing, and maybe, right? But there is, so to answer the question that people are saying, yeah, there's definitely a potential there, but no guarantee at the end of the day. But as far as this DeFi, of course we want to be taking a look at how low it is, and these are some factors that need to be looked into when you're analyzing the charts. Before anyone comes out and says, oh, ICP is better than Solana, ICP is already this and that, you all want to look at a lot of factors, and this is what people don't realize, but that does not mean that the potential is not there. If they're solving something that is what we use on a day-to-day basis, which is internet, which is the web, and if they're able to scale it the way they're saying it, this could be something huge. But listen to me, of course it's always could be, right? Time is the biggest key factor that tells everything. But so far, very interesting what we've heard, what we've seen, and what they have compared to their competitors. It's very lucrative, without a doubt. And hence, it's not a surprise why we're seeing so much interest flowing in from other people that are looking into internet computer. But if we're looking at Bitcoin right now, just minor retracement right now for Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is doing absolutely amazing. I'm sure if you guys follow me on my channel, you guys watch all my updates, you guys know I've been covering Bitcoin literally on a day-to-day basis. Bitcoin's done literally exactly what I've said. Step by step, as of now, Bitcoin has done exactly what I was thinking. So that is great. Yeah, I'm liking what Bitcoin's doing. And I said this in one of my other updates. If you did not watch that, of course, I would honestly be okay if Bitcoin even retraced down to 48,100. Like, I'm literally putting that out there. If Bitcoin decided to go down to $48,100, I'm totally okay with that. And does my overall bullish feeling go away? Absolutely not. I'm going to be bullish then more than ever. So that's that. This is where I'm currently taking a look at. So far, Bitcoin is looking great. Could even push into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level if it's able to clear out this resistance. But I'm just putting that out there. If Bitcoin decides to even go down to $48,000 support line, totally okay with that. But now let's take a look at ICP. So what Internet Computer's price right now is doing is, of course, trying to break out of that key resistance. And speaking about that key resistance, I hope you guys start to realize that I'm not just bored on the charts and going like this. I'm not just drawing these lines left and right. These are key resistances, key support lines. And how do we know that? Now you guys might be asking, how do you know that? Great question. When you see these exact same resistances having a hard time breaking out of here, you could see these candles above this, wicking above here, but never managing to close above here. This gives you the confirmation that, hold on, this is a key resistance. And you can see this for yourself. Let me just extend this for you guys. What you're seeing is this exact same resistance 2 different times as of now has, been rejected. But before you guys, get bearish or, start talking negative, look at this chart. Since, we hit that $9.73 bottom, which was, of course, on the 23rd, if you want to put this price move into perspective, this is a move of about 40%, and this is in less than a month. Not only that, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. I'm loving what I'm seeing for ICP right now, and I'm projecting, sooner than a lot of people think, that we will actually see that close. But you need to see that close. That is the most important thing ICP needs right now, to see that close above that key resistance level. Once that close is able to take in place, then I think we will start pushing up to the key level at $16.11. So far, the targets have definitely not changed, but what I'm liking is that it is trying to retest above this key resistance. Of course, it's failing this key resistance. As of now, we don't have as much buying pressure, and of course, Bitcoin seeing a little bit of volatility in the upcoming days could also affect that. So we do need to keep these factors in mind, but so far so good. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Is your overall targets the same? What do you think ICP is going to do before we enter the month of March? And what excites you the most about ICP? This is what I want to know from you guys on a day-to-day basis. Every time I want to know, you the investor, you've done your due diligence and research, what makes you excited about Internet Computer? And do you think ICP has what it takes to pull top 10 position in the cryptocurrency market ranking, or if not higher? And if so, why do you think that's the case? And yeah, let me know down below what you guys personally think. I love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.